Boom. And we are live. Hey there. I'm not a machine learning expert. I'm just a student, probably like you, trying to figure this stuff out. But every time I tried to learn ML, I'd open YouTube and boom, thousands of tutorial by experts, polished, fast-paced, intimidating. And I kept thinking, where's the real stuff? Where's someone actually learning it from scratch? That's why I'm making this series, Study ML with me. This isn't a tutorial, this is us studying together. You'll see me mess up, search stuff on Google, read docs, build small models, and slowly understand what's going on step by step. And if you're also trying to get into ML, but you're not sure where to start, you can just follow along. Alright, so now that you know why I'm doing this series, let's talk about the plan, our roadmap. If you're also learning machine learning from scratch, this is the path I'll be following and you can follow it with me. So moving on to phase 1, build the basics. Before touching any algorithm or model, we'll first build a strong foundation. We'll start by brushing up on Python, things like functions, loops, classes, and also how to use popular libraries like Numpy and Pandas. These are essential because almost every ML project involves data and you'll need to clean, transform, and analyze it first. Then we'll cover some basic math for ML. Don't worry, nothing's too scary, just the stuff you actually need like the vectors, matrices in algebra, basic stats like mean, variance and standard deviations, and a little bit of probability. Moving on to phase 2. The phase 2 is understand core ML concepts. Once our base is set, we'll jump into actual machine learning. We'll understand the ML really means and explore its three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and a quick look at reinforcement learning just to know what it is. Then we'll study simple but powerful algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, KNN, and naive Bayes, all step by step. Excuse me. I'll be learning them along with you, sharing how I understand them, where I get stuck, and what finally makes it click. Moving on to phase 3, it's hands-on practice. Now comes the fun part, the actual coding. We'll use the tools like Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook and start working with real datasets. I'm talking about the Titanic dataset, the Iris Flower dataset which we worked upon on the first video, or Boston housing prices. We learn how to load data with Pandas, clean and pre-process it, then build, train and test models using Scikit-Learn. I'll show you my entire process including when I Google things, which I always do. Moving on to phase 4, that is mini project. After practice, we'll apply that what we have learned. We'll build some small projects like predicting students' scores, detecting spam emails, or forecasting housing prices. These will help us actually use our knowledge to solve real problems, and I'll document everything and post it on GitHub. Not because it has to be perfect, but because it shows growth and you can do the same thing and start building your portfolio. Moving on to phase 5, AI tools and going beyond. So now this is something I'm really excited about. We'll explore how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and even AI coding assistants to learn faster. I'll show you how I use them to understand concepts, fix bugs, and save time. We'll also get a sneak peek into deep learning using TensorFlow Keras, but only after we are confident with the basics. Later we might even join a Kaggle competition or start optimizing our resumes for ML internships. Moving on to the bonus tip, how to stay consistent. I'll be also sharing tips I personally follow, like how I take smart notes, stay consistent, and build habits around learning. The goal here isn't perfection, it's showing up daily, learning something small, and stacking the progress. And at the last wrap up, so that's a roadmap. And I'm not rushing through it, I'm going at a real human pace. If you are learning ML or thinking about starting, just follow along. You're not too late, you're not behind. This is your journey too. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll start with phase 1 Python for ML. Thanks.